What's up, beautiful people? So in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to grow your hair fast in braids, and you don't even have to do much. All you have to do is just practice this once every week. If you feel like braids are not growing your hair and you notice that each time that you take down your braids, your hair always feels so dry and easy to break, like prone to breakage, then the reason might be because you're not doing these things that I'm about to show you in this video. So keep on watching. I'm going to show you step by step what to do, how to do it, and you only have to do it once every week to see a maximum result. And this process is the same no matter the extension that you choose to use. It doesn't matter which extension, be it canoculum hair, be it kinky, wool, no matter the extension that you choose to use, the process is the same. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the things that you need to carry out these steps. All right, so here are the list of things that you'll be needing for these steps. Number one is aloe vera and grease, and then you're going to need a moisturizer. I made this detangling moisturizer myself, and the video of how I made it is on my channel already. I'll link it up and in the comment section. All right, so the first thing that I do is that I go ahead with fresh aloe vera leaf. Remember to cut your aloe vera, soak it in water for 1 to 2 hours before using it, so that it doesn't scratch you or your baby's hair. Okay, because aloe vera can be very itchy, trust me. You don't want to experience that, so prevention is better than cure, right? So I'm going to go over the lines of her pattern and properly, rub the aloe vera leaf on her scalp. All the places where there is pattern, I will make sure that I apply this aloe vera gel on it. So when I am done, I'm going to rub it in, just a little massage. Here I'm showing you the what do you call it, the growth so far, right? So after massaging it in, I'm going to now apply oil on the scalp. Okay, I'm going to be following the line. Apply oil on every sections. And then massage again. Massaging is so important. Now I'm going to still apply grease. This step is optional. You can use only the grease or you can use only oil, right? But sometimes I just use both, just to make sure that the scalp is as moisturized as possible, to prevent it from being dry. Now once I am done with the oil and grease section, this is now time for me to now moisturize the extension, right? Remember that her hair is inside this extension. So once I spray my DIY detangler / leave-in conditioner, I'm going to squeeze it in properly, so that it will get through to the hair, to her hair that's inside the attach. This part is important. You have to squeeze it in. Don't even pity the stuff that you're using. Spray enough, because it has to pass through the attach to enter her hair, right? So spray enough, squeeze it in. Now I'm going to still use the same thing to freshen her coils, to make sure that the coils at the end is shiny. You can just see how lively her hair has become after doing this process. A video of how I made this detangler, I will leave it in the end screen and also in the comment section. Please do well to check it out. The detangler that I use here contains a leave-in conditioner, contains oil, it contains glycerin, it contains about 4 or 5 things. Like, it's all in one. It's going to give you everything that you need, and believe me, your hair is never going to be dry again. Try this and you grow your hair massively under extension, and your hair will not suffer. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below.